A concerning find in Smithville as severe weather season arrives. Police say 3 of the town's tornado sirens aren't working. It was just last year that an EF2 tornado touched down in Smithville. Officers say if something like this popped up tomorrow, they'd have to send officers out into neighborhoods to drive around with their sirens on, warning people. They have contacted the siren manufacturer to get them fixed. And you can stay in the know about approaching weather anytime on the Storm Track 5 weather app. It's free on both Apple and Android.